For example 3 in section 3.2, which of the following equations represents a linear function? And explain. Linear functions can be rewritten to look like y equals mx plus b. If you can get one of those to look like y equals mx plus b, then you've got a linear function. So looking at y equals 2 to the x power. No, that one can't. You can't make it look like y equals mx plus b. Y equals 5x. Yes we can. Y equals 5x plus 0. Now that looks like y equals mx plus b. Y equals 3 minus 2x squared. No, it cannot look like y equals mx plus b because you have x squared. X squared, you're not going to have a linear function if you have an x squared. Or you have the square root of x. You definitely will not have a linear function. You will not have a straight line. Now, x minus y equals 12. Let's bring this down over here. Can I get it to look like y equals mx plus b? Well, sure. Let's do some math. If I subtract x on both sides, I get negative y equals 12 minus x. And let's multiply both sides by negative 1. So I can make this negative y a positive, and I must multiply everything on the other side by the negative 1. So now I have y equals, and it will be negative 12 plus x, or I could write it where it's y equals x minus 12. That's the same thing. So y equals mx plus b. Look, it matches, right? Yeah, there's no number there, but it's like an invisible 1. That is your m. Okay? So this would be your other linear function. And a few things that you can memorize or just remember. Basically, if you have an x into the power, if you have x to any power, or if you have a square root of x, they're never going to be straight lines. It's going to warp your x, your graph.